How to fix WhatsApp not receiving messages. So if your WhatsApp is not receiving any messages, then first you need to check your network. So if you have turned off your Wi-Fi connection and if you don't have your mobile data, then there is no chance that you're receiving messages. So first turn on your network connection like your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, and once you've done that, you will receive your messages. But even after that, if you're not receiving any messages, then you need to simply tap and hold on to that WhatsApp application and then go for app info. Go for storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. And after clearing your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then go back and then go for notifications. And under your notifications, if you have turned off your notifications, then you won't receive any message notifications. So if you have turned that off, you need to simply turn that on. And after turning that on, now you will receive messages. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply uninstall WhatsApp application, and after uninstalling, you can again install it and you can again log into your account, and then your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your WhatsApp not receiving messages. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.